Hello guys! I am going to teach you how to solve the 2x2 Rubik's Cube. The first step is to make the first layer. I am going to start with the color white. So this edge piece here has red and white. So we are going to find another edge piece that also has red and white. Here is one. So what we are going to do is we're going to move this aside. We'll bring this down. We'll put this back here. And then we'll bring it back up. And now they're both together. There are also times where this part is upside down. So what we are going to do is we're going to bring this down. We'll turn it twice. Then bring this back up. And then now it is not upside down anymore. So now we are going to do the same thing to finish the first layer. And now the first layer is finished. For the second layer, we are going to find an edge piece that matches the bottom. If there are two edge pieces that match the bottom, we need to find another edge piece that matches only one here. But if you cannot find only one edge piece that matches on the bottom layer, you'll just have to do these moves. You'll bring this here on this side, bring this up, bring this over here, then bring this up. And then do the same thing but backwards. Bring this here, bring this down, bring this here, and then bring this down. And then now, you should be able to make only one piece match with the bottom layer. So after that, we are going to do the same thing. Make sure that the piece that matches the bottom layer is always here and it won't be scrambled again. So what we are going to do is the same moves that I showed earlier. Bring this here, bring this up, bring this back here, bring this up, and then just do it all backwards. Bring this here, bring this down, bring this here, and then bring this back down. And then now, these are the last steps to finish the last layer. So what we are going to do is that the edge pieces that are not in the correct position will be here on the right side. So what we will do is this set of moves. Down, left, up, right. And then we'll just repeat it until all the edge pieces are in the correct position. And then, when we finish one of the edge pieces, we have to make it so that when you go here, it will scramble the whole cube again. So what you're going to do is that you're just going to bring the edge piece to where you were solving the other piece. And then we're going to continue this set of moves. And then now, the 2x2 Rubik's Cube is solved. And that's how to solve a 2x2 Rubik's Cube.